So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to bet on prediction markets here on the MetaMask app. So once MetaMask is opened up on the main screen here, go to the bottom, press on where it says trade, and then press on where it says predictions, trade on real world events. So once you're on this page right here, there's a variety of different prediction markets you guys can go ahead and select and bet on. So with the World Cup approaching at the time I'm recording this video, you can select the World Cup if you want. You can scroll down, do basketball. You can also do this with sports, crypto, politics, etc. But in this case, if you just, for example, wanted to do sports right here, and how about this basketball game, Thunder versus Spurs, if you want to go ahead and select whatever one you want to select, you then press on one of them. So in this case, I press on Oklahoma City, but you can press on whatever one you want. Type in the amount that you want to predict. So you can go ahead, type in the amount and see how much you'd win in this case here. And if you were to go ahead and press done, go to the bottom, press on Thunder, or in this case where it is, you can actually go ahead and make the prediction and bet on that accordingly. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can bet on sports prediction, or I guess just prediction markets here on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.